Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on the topic unit 17, the time. Okay, so open your book, go to page number 94. Here is an exercise A. It says put a tick and cross, rewrite the correct sentences in your notebook if found incorrect. Okay, everyone can say exactly what the time is. No, no one can say exactly what the time is. A century means 20 years. No, a century means 100 years. Okay? So, time can be called back. No, time cannot be called back. Success come to those who use time wisely. Yes, exactly same is happening. Okay, here is number 5. We can put off thing which we can do today. No, we must finish it by today. Okay, it is a proverb. You have learned the proverb. Proverb is do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. आज का काम कल पर मत छोड़ो. ठीक है. The next is time can be made longer. No, time is precious. It is very short for us. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Yes, while doing big tasks, we can do plenty of other things. No, we can. Okay, here is exercise B. It says fill in the missing letters. Magazine, Magazine. Magazine. Number 2 is wastage, Wastage. Wastage. Number 3, precious, Precious. Precious. Number 4, resources, Resource. Okay, not resources, resource. Number 5 is minute, Minute. Okay. Number 6 is exactly, Exactly. Exactly. Number 7 is century, Century. Century. Number 8 is chalk, Chalk. Chalk. Number 9 is puzzle, Puzzle. Puzzle. And number 10th is valuable, Valuable. Valuable. Okay. So moving to the next page, that is page number 95. Here you are going to do about language structure, and today's topic is contraction. Okay, first we will learn about contraction. What are the contraction? Do you know the meaning of contract or contraction? Yes, contract means to become smaller and smaller. Okay, as we are going to do about contraction are shortened form of words. Okay, short form of any word is known as contraction. They are mainly used in conversation. Okay, recall the contraction used for the following words and write them in the blanks. I am, he does not, he doesn't, you have. Okay, they do not, they don't, she will not, she willant, she cannot, she can't, sorry, we can't, it would not, it wouldn't, he is, his, they are not, they aren't, she has not, she hasn't, you are, your, We were not, we weren't. Okay, students. Now, again, here is an exercise B. Find and change the word in the following sentences that can be used as contraction. So, number one sentence is Shumaila is not happy with us. Shumaila isn't happy with us. Okay. Number two is they have broken their promises. THEY static VE. They have. Okay. You have to put hyphen over there. Like I have put it over here and here like this. Okay. Now, moving to the next, we were not amazed to see our old friend among us. We weren't. Okay. Number four is I am sure they will come tomorrow. My teacher hope. I am. I then comma am. Okay. Fraz has not improved his handwriting. Hasn't. HASN comma T. Okay. They are late again. THEY comma RE are late again. They are late again. Ramin is not afraid of anything. Isn't. IS and comma T. Isn't afraid of anything. Now your next topic is interjection. Okay? An interjection is a short sound, word or phrase spoken suddenly to express an emotion. Okay? Different emotions are expressed by different interjection. Surprise. Oh my god. I had no idea. Delight. Ah, that's good. Confusion. Good god. Is that true? Joy. Wow. This is super. Pain. Ouch. My shoes hurt. Okay, so these are the different type of expression where you feel your emotions. Okay. Moving to the next. On book page number 96, here is an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used after interjection and sentence expressing emotion or wish. Observe an example. Alas, what a terrible sight this is. Alas, after alas, we will put interjection, and after what a terrible sight this is, we will put an interjection mark. Sorry, exclamation mark. Okay. Oh dear. Again exclamation mark. Long live Pakistan. Again exclamation mark. Now moving to the next page, page number 96. Here is an exercise A. It says identify each interjection, rewrite the sentences in your notebook and put an exclamation mark after every interjection. Your first sentence is oh no, I have lost my pencil again. Oh no, I have lost my pencil again. Thank God have thank God I have found you. Thank God exclamation mark I have found you. Okay, here I will come over here. Okay, numbers next is ha I caught you. Ha exclamation mark I caught you. Okay, wow, your doll is beautiful. Wow, your doll is beautiful. After wow, we will put exclamation mark. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, exclamation mark. What are you doing? Question mark. Okay. Alas, we lost the match. Alas, after alas, we will put exclamation mark. We lost the match. Yippee, we both got prizes. Yippee, exclamation mark. We both got prizes. View, the taste was hard. View, the taste was hard. After view, we will put an exclamation mark. Ouch, it hurt. Ouch, exclamation mark, it hurts. Bravo, we have won the match. Bravo, exclamation mark, we have won the match. Okay, moving to the next on page number 96. Exercise B. Insert exclamation mark, comma, full stop, and speech mark where needed in the following sentences. That's easy. That's easy. Full stop. Oh, yum, I love pizza. Oh, yum. Exclamation mark. I love pizza. Full stop. Tasty. Say the computer. Speech mark. Tasty, comma. Speech mark. Says the computer. Full stop. Sad. Sad says great. Sad says great. Okay, here you have to put a speech mark with the word great, and at the after great you have to put full stop. Quick says sad. Speech mark, comma, speech mark, quick, comma, speech mark says sad. Sad, okay? Oh, help, cried the little children. Oh, help. Speech mark and comma, cried little children. Full stop. Here you are, Amna. Here you are, Amna. Full stop. What a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture! Exclamation mark. Hurrah! I have got a pizza. Hurrah! Exclamation mark. I have got a pizza. Full stop. Ouch! I hurt myself. Ouch! Exclamation mark. I hurt myself. Okay, student? Now on page 96, punctuate the following passage. You have to put exclamation mark, full stop, question mark, commas, okay, in this passage, and you have to do it by yourself. It's on page number 96, exercise C. It says punctuate the following passage. You have to do it by yourself, and after doing it, you have to send it to me. You can take help from page number 89. Go to page number 89. Okay, and here's paragraph number 3. It's my computer, says Saad. He's gone crazy, eating pizza and running around. Hamza look at Saad's computer. It is connecting to the other 20 computer in the library. The computer make lots of strange noises. They may be talking to each other. Okay, this is, you can take help from page number 89 while solving this exercise. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.